What's going on, guys? Today I received my big order from FCP Euro, so I'm just gonna film like a short video of myself unboxing all this crap, and yeah, got all this stuff to get done. Just closing my car real quick. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. So I ordered a bunch of stuff for my car. All this stuff is basically like all that like finisher stuff. I have like 2 more things I have to order, and that's it. And it's like done for like all like the stuff that like supposed like, you know, the preventive stuff. So I did like everything basically to prevent the car from breaking down. Anything that I could do to buy or anything, I did it basically. Apart from some bushings and other things that didn't need to be replaced yet. All this order included was I got a clutch kit with a single mass flywheel. I got liquid moly oil change kit, which I'm kind of hyped about because I'll explain that later. I got motor and trans mounts, which needed to be done, and I'm pulling the trans, so might as well just have the brand new trans mounts anyways. I got a full cooling system like rebuild kit, so it comes with a radiator, all the hoses, the overflow tank. It comes with a water pump. It comes with a thermostat. It comes with a water pump pulley. It comes with the belts, and then various like nuts, bolts, and washers, and gaskets or whatever. And then I also got the drive shaft Gibo thing. It's like, yeah. So I know those things have, you know, failure problems, so I didn't want to have any issues, and I figured since we're already going to be down there, like taking off the trans and all that, might as well get that too. And then on top of that, I got the drive shaft center support. So those things will both be new, and hopefully, you know, my journey across country in a few weeks will go smoothly. And I think this stuff is ideally like what needed to be done. So, all right, y'all. So I got here the Leo like conversion kit for like a single mass flywheel to get rid of the dual mass flywheel that comes on E46s and like a lot of things. Looking forward to this because my clutch is pretty bad. So here's what we got. We got, I believe this is the throw bearing. It's funny how BMW makes a lot of things they got a plastic. Oh, I also got, where'd it go? Where'd I put it? Oh, so I got the clutch pivot fork pin, the bronze one, because you know how in the E46s they have plastic ones, like the OEM ones are plastic. And what happens is the head on this like wears down over time. And I'm sure this, like even this will wear down over time, but these are a lot stronger than the plastic ones and they don't break too, so it's good to know. What? Some directions, probably not gonna need those. So we got the pressure plate. Gonna have to clean that up a little bit. Looks a little dingy. We got the clutch. As I said, given the time and everything, I just had to go with something a little bit cheaper. but still wanted to go with a single mass, so I just went with like a OEM clutch. Obviously it's gonna handle a bit better than mine. There's like gouges in this. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. And then right here, just have some bolts. And then we have a single mass flywheel. That's pretty heavy. So yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll have videos up on this stuff being installed shortly. Yeah, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video, if you want to see some more things going on here. E46 has come a long way. I'm really enjoying just making videos in the car and just having fun with it. So thank you guys for watching. See you later.